illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today we are going to do something to celebrate Father's Day. I am going to teach you how to draw some Father's Day tools. So go ahead and grab all of your drawing materials and we'll get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our Father's Day tools. All right, the first thing we want to do is we're going to work on the handle of the hammer first. So we're going to start with a small diagonal line. And from there we're going to build the handle of the hammer. So we're going to come all the way down this way. Little curved line at the end there. And back up. We'll add a little texture here to the bottom part of the handle. All right, now for the top, we're going to start off with 2 more lines here. And we're just going to build this shape line by line. So diagonal, diagonal, almost like we're making a zigzag. Curve up there. We're going to make another diagonal line that comes all the way across. And another diagonal here. And another straight line here. This one has a lot of lines that come together to form a shape, which is really fun. And 2 little lines in here. And we're going to put a little box. And then a larger rectangle. And we'll put a little curve here. One more little line here. And there we have the outline of our hammer. So now we're going to add the silly face to it. And we're going to make the face really fun because the eyes aren't going to be the same size or shape, which I love when cartoons have that. I think it's so quirky and fun. So the first eye is going to be a large oval. Followed by a smaller one next to it. We'll do 2 pupils inside of these eyes here. 1. And 2. I want 2 eyebrows, 1 and 2. And we're going to put a really large smile that spans from one end of the face all the way to the other. So there's our first character. We're also going to add a screwdriver character, which is going to be really, really fun. So we're going to start kind of like we did with the hammer here. We're going to start with the handle of the screwdriver. And we want the screwdriver to exist in this space down here so that both of our tools are leaning slightly diagonally inward towards each other. So the first thing we want to do for the handle of our screwdriver is we're going to draw a big curved line here. Two more smaller curved lines that come inward. And this is going to lead to a rectangular shape. Okay, and then we'll do another set of lines here. And then another set of lines down here for the very end. All right, so we'll work on our details here. We just want a few accent lines just to add a little detail, and our face. So similar to how we did the face of the hammer, we're going to make the eyes two different sizes. So the first one is going to be a tall oval. And the second eye is going to be a smaller circle. Now, just like what we did up here, we'll add two pupils. One. And two. Of course, we'll do a little smile here as well. And a couple of eyebrows. And we'll also add just a little accent line here as well. All right, and you all are welcome to write Happy Father's Day on this wherever you'd like. I'm going to put mine here. You can also do this without the words if you don't want to put them on here. That's totally fine. It's up to you. Outline of our Father's Day tool characters. The next step that we're going to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our Father's Day tool illustration. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, illustrators. There we have our Father's Day pictures. I hope that you all had a great time, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.